Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the preferred language for the Translator app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. Next we go down and tap on the Translate option. In Translate page you want to go down and tap on Language. Next, in here, select a language that you want to use. You may also want to go down to the Other Languages section and select a language. So select a language from the list, and then tap on the back key. And you can see it is now set to the new language that you have selected. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.